Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gameplay Classic. In this video, we are going to be learning how to like a game in Roblox. There's no built-in feature in Roblox to like a game, however, you can express your appreciation for the game by favoriting your game. Go ahead and open the Roblox application on your mobile device or log into roblox.com website. Select a game that you'd like to favorite and then tap on the three dots at the bottom left-hand corner. In the pop-up menu, click on Favorite, and that way you can mark the particular game as your favorite. This adds the game to your favorites list, making it easier to find later. Many games out there has a thumbs up or star rating system. If you see one, give a game a positive rating, and that is how you will be able to show that you like the game on Roblox. So those were some of the ways you can like a game on Roblox. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us.